Hi everybody, this is Esther from Cemantica. Hope you are doing well. Today, I'd like to discuss with you Workspaces. So with Workspaces, inside the Cemantica platform, companies can create and configure dedicated working areas by department, business unit, and you can see here on screen that it is organized per country. So let's add a workspace. You click here, then you add your workspace. So let's say Japan for today. You can add a description, and then the workspace owners. You can go through the list and define your owners, and define also and invite all your users and the teams you would like to invite. Once it is done, then you hit save. And here you go. Your Japan workspace has been created, and all users can be connected and start mapping on their own environment. All right. So thank you very much for listening. Talk to you soon, and if you want more information, please go on www.cemantica.com. Bye bye.